Hey guys, as always, thanks for watching my video. As you can see on the title, Banish Your Inexperience Fears. And that's what this video is about to show you exactly how to do that with Cornerstone Appliance Training. Now don't forget to subscribe because there will be a lot more videos to come to ensure for those of you that want to start the appliance repair industry, whether you want to start your own business or you just want to learn about how to start appliance repair. So watch the video until the end, and as always be learning and always be blessed.
Well, the Cornerstone Appliance Training, where your journey from uncertainty to mastery in appliance repair begins. I'll banish your inexperience fears. Thrive with Cornerstone Appliance Repair Training program is specifically designed for both aspiring and current appliance technicians who are ready to transform their apprehension into expertise. With us, you're not just learning, you are gaining the confidence and skills needed to excel in the ever-evolving world of appliance repair. Embrace the opportunity to grow from novice to pro, and let us guide you every step of the way. Your path to becoming a master technician starts here. Step-by-step guide, easy enrollment process. Sign up online with just a few clicks and have access to your appliance training course, usually in 10 to 15 minutes. Hassle-free start to your learning journey. Understanding the basics, the course begins with fundamental concepts of appliance repair, including basic electrical and mechanical principles. Builds a strong foundation, making complex topics more approachable later on. Interactive and engaging learning modules. Enjoy a mix of video tutorials, interactive simulations, and quizzes, catering to various learning styles. These modules ensure you grasp and retain information more effectively. Specialization in different appliances. In-depth training on specific appliances like refrigerators, washers, dryers, and more. Gain confidence by mastering one appliance at a time. Hands-on practice through virtual simulations. Use virtual tools to simulate repair scenarios. Develop practical skills safely and confidently before handling real appliances. Access to expert instructors and support. Direct access to experienced instructors for queries. Personalized support to help overcome specific challenges. Flexible learning at your own pace. Self-paced learning that fits your schedule. Balance your training with other life commitments. Affordable pricing structure. Competitive pricing with options for payment plans. Makes learning accessible without financial strain. Certification upon completion. Receive a certificate after completing the final exam. Don't worry, we will teach you everything you need to know to pass the exam with ease. Enhances your resume and credibility as a skilled technician. Cornerstone Appliance Training's online program is meticulously crafted to ensure that even those with no prior experience can embark on a successful appliance repair career. Our step-by-step, supportive, and affordable approach is designed to transform your fear into confidence, paving the way for a thriving career in appliance repair. Always be learning. Be blessed.